In order to buy Tesla stock on Robinhood, the first thing you need to do is you need to open the Robinhood app and log into your account. If you're new, you will need to create a Robinhood account. Creating a Robinhood account is relatively easy, but you will need to verify your identity, and you will also need to link a bank so that you're able to source funds. Now, when you verify your identity, you're going to typically need some form of ID. Now, you could use a passport, a driver's license, a state ID, etc. The point is, you want to make sure that you have an ID ready to go so that you're able to verify your identity. But anyways, after you went ahead and done all of that, here's what you need to do. You need to go ahead and go to the magnifying glass on the top and then look up Tesla. So TS and then LA, and then you should be able to go ahead and find it. So yep, here it is. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on trade just like so. Then go ahead and press on buy. From here, select on how many dollars worth of Tesla stock you want to invest in. So let's say you wanted to invest $10 worth of Tesla stock. You can absolutely do so by typing in 10. But if you have more funds, you can go ahead and buy as much money as you want, basically. But you guys could also purchase in shares as well. So it really is up to you. You can go ahead and purchase it in dollars or shares, whichever one is more convenient for you. But all you want to do is you want to press on review, then go ahead and swipe up to submit, and then you're good to go. It is going to give you a receipt to let you know that you actually did purchase Tesla stock. But anyways, once you're done with that, you are good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.